Hi, my name is Andrei Yakovenko from New Element Training. In this brief video, we will show how to exercise your shoulders, particularly front part of your shoulders and your middle part, so front delts and middle delts. Before I go into the details about how to perform this exercise, if you haven't done it so, click subscribe button and there's a little bell notification button as well. So each time we release a new video, you won't miss any of our educational instructional videos with what we're doing here. Now, what we're gonna do, there's two variations in which you can do it exercise. You can just kneel down if that's easier for you and do it this way, or in this case I'm just gonna demonstrate how we can use a chair. So let's say you use a chair one, but the technique is exactly the same. So you need a rubber band, and you would put the rubber band under your feet, keep your torso straight. What you're gonna do, the starting position is gonna be your hands gonna be facing each other, right? And they're gonna be roughly shoulder width or so apart. So keeping the shoulders back, sitting nice and straight. So my hands roughly chin high, roughly shoulders high. That's where I'm starting. And from here on, what I'm simply doing, I'm kind of bringing my hands up towards the ceiling. Maybe it's slightly a little bit away from my torso, not exactly in this vertical plane, maybe no, I don't know, 15-20 degrees away from the vertical plane towards the ceiling. I'm gonna feel it right in my shoulders. And I'm gonna stop roughly here. I don't wanna go into engage my traps, I wanna keep my traps relaxed, so I'm gonna stop roughly here. Once I cannot go anymore from my shoulders, again, keeping my hands parallel, shoulder width apart, and I'm gonna slowly come down. And again, I'm gonna come down where, my hands roughly same level of my shoulders, pause, and I'm gonna do it again. Again, remembering the first principle, it's about muscle, not the movement. So I really feel in my shoulders. That's my priority. I'm moving slowly under control, satisfying the second principle of keeping the muscle under continuous tension without giving muscle any breaks. And I'm already beginning to shake. I also feel it in my triceps. So this exercise doesn't just work your shoulders, also works your triceps, the back part of your arms. And slowly coming down. And I'm kind of beginning to shake already, which is a good sign, means my muscles getting fatigued. Now, keeping a perfect form. And then, I probably can do a couple more, but in this case, I'm gonna pretend this is my last one. So I'm going, 9 out of 10 effort. I barely be able to finish it. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take 30 seconds to come down. Feeling my shoulders. 5, I'm just trying to hold it. 5, 10. Now, I'm kind of losing the form technique, and then slowly come down. The moment you realize that you cannot maintain the good form anymore, you stop. There's no point of continuing past that point. So obviously I didn't do quite 30 seconds, but I did my best to control that negative descent and to ensure the third principle, which is that principle of overload. Each time on the exercise, on most of the exercises, we want to do more intensity of work on that given muscle that was previously demanded on it. That way our muscle has a stimulus for adaptation, and we'll do it next time, it gets stronger. So again, you can use a chair, you can use your knees. Try both variations, see which one feels better for you. If you would like to learn more about our approach, you can go to our website, newelementtraining.com. Shoot us an email at info@newelementtraining.com if you have any questions or like to book an online coaching session. Thank you.